Right, today I'm going to be showing how to create this simple number poster design. You can use the same technique for other numbers or letters. First, I'm going to start with the images that I'm going to be using. I'm going to pull in 2 images because I want my number to have this pink background, but I need the protruding object, which will be the flowers, to not have that background color. And I'm just going through the layer setting and putting the pink on top since that's the layer I'm going to work with first. And now I'm grabbing the number 2 and I'm going to align it with the image how I want it to show. And then I made a copy of the pink layer and added it into the number 2. And now I'm just aligning that with the pink image here. Gonna then remove the background because I don't need that from the pink anymore now that it's in the number. And update the layer to pull in the white now since that's what I'm going to be working with primarily. And I'm just aligning it with the image that's inside the number 2 here. And then I'm going to go ahead and delete the original layer with the pink because we really don't need that anymore. And I'm placing the image that's not inside the number 2 on top now. And I'm just adding a border to number 2 just so it pops a little bit more. And continuing to crop the image so it looks like it fits inside of the number 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and just lock the number 2 since my image keeps going into that number 2 there so that I can have an easier time aligning the images. And then I'm continuing to crop here. I don't want her hair covering up majority of that too, so I've cropped it. And I'm going to create a copy of this flower layer so I can crop around her face. So you can see I extended it to crop around her face.